एसबीएन क्लासिक गणित प्रकाश ग्रेड 6 चैप्टर 1 पैटर्न इन मैथमेटिक्स मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम 1 to 85। नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एसबीएन क्लासिक्स गणित प्रकाश। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न चैप्टर 1 पैटर्न इन मैथमेटिक्स थ्रू मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन। This will help you prepare well for your exam and also understand mathematics in a fun way. So let's begin with part A multiple choice question. Question number 1. Mathematics is in a large part the search for answer, games, patterns, language or poem. The option is the correct answer, patterns. What does mathematics aim to find beside patterns? Option: explanation for why those patterns exist, rules for playing games, ways to paint pictures, stories about history. So answer A, explanation for why those patterns exist. Question number 3. Where can pattern be found according to the passage? Option: only in books, B, only in school, C, all around us, D, only in laboratories. The answer is the correct all around us, C option. Question number 4. Which natural bodies show pattern in their motion? Option: A, trees, river and clouds, B, sun, moon and stars, C, mountains, seas and desert, D, flowers, grass and leaves. Correct answer: sun, moon and stars. Question number 5. Which activity show a mathematical pattern? Option A, throwing a ball, B, sleeping, C, talking, D, reading a poem. Correct answer: throwing a ball. Question number 6. Which of these is not mentioned as an example of patterns? Option A, cooking, option B, shopping, option C, gardening, option D, playing games. The correct answer is gardening. Question number 7. Why do mathematicians consider mathematics as an art? Option A, because it avoids logic. Option B, because it is boring. Option C, because it involves creativity and imagination. Option D, because it is only about numbers. So correct answer question number 7, C, because it involves creativity and imagination. Question number 8. Why is mathematics considered a science? Option A, because it is all about memorization. Option B, because it gives logical explanations for patterns. Option C, because it avoids experiments. Option D, because it teaches stories. Correct answer B, because it gives logical explanation for patterns. Question number 9. Discovering mathematical pattern can be option A, confusing, option B, fun and creative, option C, repetitive, option D, boring. So correct answer B, fun and creative. Question number 10. What do mathematicians hope students will see in mathematics? Option A, it is difficulty. Option B, it's memorization. Option C, it's creativity and artistry. Option D, it's rules only. Answer correct, it's creativity and artistry. Option C. Question number 11. Explanations of pattern are important because option A, they are only for school exam. Option B, they can be applied in other contexts. Option C, they are never useful. Option D, they confuse students. Correct option answer B, They can be applied in other contexts. Question number 12. The ultimate goal of mathematics is to option A. Entertain, entertain people. Option B. Propel humanity forward. Option C. Stop discoveries. Option D. Avoid technology. Correct answer B. Propel humanity forward. Question number 13. Pattern can be seen in which of these activities? Option A. Weather. Option B. Technology. Option C. Games. Option D. All of the above. Correct answer D. Option all of the above. Question number 14. Mathematics is both a story and poem. B. An art and science. C. A subject and a rule. D. A game and a hobby. So answer B. An art and a science is the correct answer. Question number 15. Which of the following is a man-made pattern? Example: cooking, rain, sunlight, and wind. Answer 15. Question A. Cooking. Question number 16. Which is an example of pattern in sports? Option A. Throwing a ball. Option B. Swimming in a river. Option C. Sleeping on time. D. Singing a song. Correct answer throwing a ball. Question number 17. Which of these is not directly mentioned as a pattern? Option A. Weather. Option B. Shopping. Option C. Technology. Option D. Music. Correct answer D. Music. Question number 18. Which word describe mathematics in the passage? Option A. Dull. Option B. Fun. Option C. Only mechanical. Option D. Only theoretical. Correct answer B. Fun. Question number 19. The artistry in mathematics comes from option A. Writing stories. Option B. Discovering and understanding patterns. Option C. Memorizing tables. Answer D. Avoiding mistakes. Answer is the correct B. Discovering and the understanding patterns. Question number 20. Explanation in mathematics are like option A. Key to new application. B. Stories for children. Option C. Jokes for fun. Option D. Rules for language. Correct option are keys to new application. Question number 21. Pattern can be seen in which of the following? Option A. Only science. Option B. Only games. Option C. Almost everything we do and see. Option D. Only art. Correct option C. Almost everything we do and see. Question number 22. Which is an example of pattern in nature? Option A. The rising and setting of the sun. Writing letters. Singing songs. Reading stories. Correct option A. The rising and setting of the sun. Question number 23. Which of the following involves pattern in school? Option A. Sitting arrangement in class. Option B. Playing games. Option C. Daily timetable. Option D. All of the above. Correct answer D. All of the above. Question number 24. Why are explanation of pattern useful? Option A. They are fun to read. Option B. they can be used in new application. Option C, they are only for teachers. Option D, they stop learning. Correct answer है B, they can be used in new application. Question number 25. Which example shows pattern in weather? Which example show pattern in weather? Option A, rainfall in monsoon. Question number 25. Which example shows pattern in weather? Option A, rainfall in monsoon. Option B, buying clothes. Option C, cooking dinner. Option D, playing cricket. Correct answer, rainfall in monsoon. Question number 26. Which of these is a creative part of mathematics? Option A, solving sums mechanically. Option B, discovering new patterns. Option C, memorizing tables. Option D, copying formula. Correct answer B, discovering new patterns. Question number 27. Which statement is true about mathematics? Option A, it is only about calculation. It is the search for pattern and their explanation. Option C, it is only about memorizing formulas. Option D, it is only about history. Correct answer 27 question B, it is the search for pattern and their explanation. Question number 27. Which statement is true about mathematics? Option A, it is only about calculation. Option B, it is the search for pattern and their explanations. Option C, it is only about memorizing formulas. Option D, it is only about history. Correct answer B, it is the search for pattern and their explanations. Question number 28. Which show pattern in technology? Option A, weather forecasting. Option B, mobile communication. Option C, computer programs. Option D, all of the above. Answer of the correct, all of the above. Question number 29. The artistry in mathematics mean? Option A, writing story in maths. Option B, understanding beauty and creativity in patterns. Option C, learning by heart. Option D, avoiding practice. Correct option B, understanding beauty and the creativity in patterns. Question number 30. What happens when we find explanation of patterns? Option A, they stay in books only. Option B, they can help in invention and discoveries. Option C, they lose importance. Option D, they stop creativity. Correct answer question number 30. B, they can help in invention and discoveries. Question number 31. In homes, which of the following show patterns? Option A, daily routine. Option B, cooking recipe. Option C, cleaning schedules. Option D, all of the above. Answer D, all of the above. Question number 32. Mathematics connects to life because option A, it is only about numbers. Option B, patterns are present in daily activities. Option C, it has nothing to do with life. Option D, it is only for examples. Correct answer B, patterns are present in daily activities. Question number 33. Mathematicians enjoy mathematics because it is easy to memorize, it is both fun and creative, it avoids hard work, it is all about reading stories. Correct answer 33B, It is both fun and creative. Question number 34. Which example is not a mathematical pattern? Option A, throwing a ball. B, motion of stars. C, random shouting. D, weather prediction. Correct answer C, random shooting. Question number 35. The search for pattern can help in option A, games only, option B, art only, option C, science, art and technology, option D, none of these. Question number 35. C answer science, art and technology. Question number 36. Which part of life does not show pattern? Cooking, shopping, sleeping, D, none of these. Question number 36 answer option D, none of these. Question number 37. What makes mathematics like science? Option A, use of logic and reasoning. Option B, writing stories. Option C, playing games. Option D, making paintings. Question number 37 answer A, use of logic and reasoning. Question number 38. What makes mathematics like art? Option A, rules and formulas. Option B, creativity and imagination. Option C, only memorization. Option D, only facts. Correct answer B, creativity and imagination. Question number 39. Which daily life example is closest to a mathematical pattern? Option A, seasons changing. Option B, random noises. Option C, talking to friends. Option D, sleeping late. Option 39 question A option, season changing. Question number 40. Explanation of pattern are like option A, keys that open door of application. Option B, closed books. Option C, games without rules. Option C, random facts. Answer A, keys that open doors of applications. Question number 41. Pattern in nature include option A, day and night cycle. Option B, motion of planets. Option C, phases of the moon. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer D, all of the above. Question number 42. Which sentence best fits the passage? Mathematics is only for school. Mathematics is the study of patterns in life. Mathematics is boring. Mathematics is only for scientists. Correct answer B. Mathematics is the study of patterns in life. Question 43. What is creative endeavor according to the passage? Option A, copying sums. Option B, discovering mathematical patterns. Option C, memorizing tables. Option D, reading books. Correct answer B, discovering mathematical patterns. Question number 44. Pattern in games can be seen in option A, ball movements. Option B, score records. Option C, team arrangements. Option D, all of the above. Answer is correct answer D, all of the above, because ball movement, score records, team arrangement are the correct answer. Question number 45. Why is mathematics beyond classroom? Option A, because it is found in nature and daily life. Option B, because it is difficult. Option C, because it has no rules. Option D, because it is a game. Correct answer 45A, because it is found in nature and daily life. Question number 46. Which is the best reason to learn mathematics? Option A, to pass exams only. Option B, to discover pattern and use them. Option C, to avoid games. Option D, to memorize formulas only. Correct answer 46B, to discover pattern and use them. Question number 47. Which shows that mathematics propels humanity forward? Option A, application of pattern in new invention. Option B, only memorizing numbers. Option C, only reading books. Option D, avoiding discoveries. Correct answer A, application of pattern in new invention. Question number 48. Which is an artistic part of mathematics? Option A, creativity in problem solving. Option B, learning tables. Option C, copying answers. Option D, following rules blindly. Correct answer A, creativity in problem solving. Question number 49. Which is an example of pattern in technology? Mobile network signals. Option B, weather satellites. Option C, computer coding. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer D, all of the above. Question number 50. Which describes mathematics correctly? Option A, only formulas and numbers. Option B, pattern with explanations. Option C, only drawing shapes. Option D, only history of numbers. Correct answer B, pattern with explanations. Question number 51. Where do patterns exist? Nature, homes and school, technology and games, everywhere around us. Answer D, everywhere around us. Question number 52. Mathematics can be applied in. Option A, weather forecasting, cooking, sports, all of the above. Question number 52. D, all of the above. Question number 53. What is the artistic view of mathematics? Option A, it is imaginative and creative. It is memorization. It is boring. It is repetitive. Correct answer A, it is imaginative and creative. Question number 54. Which of these not a huge mathematics? Option A, understanding pattern. Option B, explaining patterns. Option C, applying patterns. Option D, singing a poem. Correct answer D, singing a poem. Question number 55. Mathematicians describe mathematics as option A, an art and a science. Option B, a poem and a song. Option C, a game and a sports. Option D, a story and a play. Question number 55. Correct answer A, an art and a science. Question number 56. Which is an example of pattern in human activities? Option A, shopping for food items. Option B, throwing a ball. Option C, cooking with recipes. Option D, all of the above. Question number 50C. D, all of the above. Question number 57. Which of the following shows repeated cycle pattern? Day and night. B, seasons. Moon phases. D, all of the above. Question number 57, D, all of the above. Question number 58, mathematics provides fun only, creativity only, explanation and application, D, games and stories. So correct answer 58, C, explanation and applications. Question number 59, which type of subject is mathematics according to the passage? Option A, only science. Option B, only art. Option C, both art and science. Option D, neither art or no science. Correct answer C, both art and science. Question number 60, what is the importance of discovering patterns? Option A, it confuses students. Option B, it has no use. Option C, it is creative and useful. Option D, it is only for scientists. Question number 60, answer C, it is creative and useful. Question number 61, the explanation is mathematics can. Option A, stop discoveries. Option B, help in application beyond original context. Option C, stay limited in classrooms. Option D, avoid real life. Correct option B, help in application beyond original context. Question number 62, which of the following is an art-like feature of mathematics? Option A, creativity. Option B, beauty in pattern. Option C, imagination. Option D, all of the above. Question number 62, answer D, all of the above. Question number 63, which of the following is a science-like feature of mathematics? Option A, logic. Option B, reasoning. Option C, explanation. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer D, all of the above. Question number 64, why should we study mathematics? Option A, discover and explain patterns. Option B, to only memorize tables. Option C, to avoid hard work. Option D, to read poems. Correct answer A, to discover and explain patterns. Question 65, what is the benefit of applying mathematical explanation? Option A, humanity moves forward. Option B, life becomes boring. Option C, science stops growing. Option D, art becomes useless. Correct answer A, humanity moves forward. Question number 66, which one is not mentioned in the passage as showing patterns? Cooking, playing games, shopping, gardening. Correct answer D, gardening. Question number 67, which motion shows pattern in space? Answer A, birds flying. Option B, sun and moon moving. Option C, car moving. Option D, ships sailing. Answer B, correct answer, sun and moon moving. Question number 68, patterns in homes may include daily timetable, B, food recipes, C, study hours, D, all of the above. Answer 68, D, all of the above. Question number 69, which of the following is the main idea of the passage? Option A, mathematics is about memorizing formula. Option B, mathematics is a search for pattern and their explanation. Option C, mathematics is boring. Option D, mathematics is only for exams. Correct answer B, mathematics is a search for pattern and their explanation. Question number 70, which of the following is most closely linked to mathematical patterns? Option A, predicting weather. Option B, cooking recipe. Option C, throwing a ball. Option D, all of the above. Answer D, all of the above is the correct answer. Question number 71. Which is a correct pair according to the passage? Option A, mathematics only science. Option A, mathematics both art and science. Option C, mathematics only art. Option D, mathematics only play. Correct answer B, mathematics both art and science. Question number 72. What does propel humanity forward mean in the passage? Option A, to take humanity backward, to help humanity progress, to confuse humanity, to stop humanity. Correct answer B, to help humanity progress. Question number 73. In school, which part of learning is school pattern? Option A, class timetable. Option B, examination schedule. Option C, sitting order. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer D, all of the above. Question number 74. Which daily activities show clear pattern? Option A, cooking using recipe. Option B, random walking. Option C, laughing loudly. Option D, sleeping anytime. Option A, cooking using recipe. Correct answer, cooking using recipe. Question number 75. Which is an example of applying mathematics in real life? Option A, weather forecasting. Option B, designing mobile apps. Option C, sports planning. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer 75D, all of the above. Question number 76. Which of these is more related to pattern? Option A, repeated cycle. Option B, random events. Option C, unpredictable results. Option D, sudden changing. Option number 76, answer A, repeated cycle. Question number 77. Which part of life uses the pattern unknowingly? Option A, shopping for items. Option B, cooking daily meals. Option C, playing outdoor games. Option D, all of the above. Question number 77, answer D, all of the above. Question number 78. Which of these does mathematics not aim to do? Option A, find patterns. Option B, explain patterns. Option C, apply patterns. Option D, write stories. Correct answer 78. Option D, write stories. Question number 79. Mathematics is creative because it helps us make new patterns. It helps us copy books. It avoids hard work. Option D, it is boring. Correct answer 79A. It helps us make new patterns. Question number 80. Which part of science connect with mathematics? Option A, explaining natural law. Option B, writing story. Option C, singing poems. Option D, random playing. Question number 80, answer A, explaining natural law. Question number 81. Which activity shows a clear example of pattern in motion? Option A, throwing a ball. Option B, reading a book. Option C, singing a song. Option D, painting a wall. Correct answer A, throwing a ball. Question number 82. Which natural process is directly mentioned as involving pattern? Option A, earthquakes. Option B, weather pattern. Option C, volcanoes. Option D, soil erosion. Correct answer B. Weather patterns. Question number 83. Why do mathematics consider mathematics as an art? Option A, because it uses drawings. Option B, because it is creative and imaginative. Option C, because it is only about beauty. Option D, because it avoids logic. Question number 83, answer B, because it is creative and imaginative. Question 84. Why do mathematicians consider mathematics as a science? Option A, because it avoids creativity. Option B, because it deals only with experiments. Option C, because it provides logical explanation for patterns. Option D, because it studies chemicals. Correct answer C, because it provides logical explanation for patterns. Question number 85. Which of the following is not given as an example of pattern in daily life? Cooking, shopping, dancing, playing games. Answer C, dancing is the correct answer, which is not the given as example of patterns in daily life. So, today we shall study about the 85 MCQ type Ganit Prakash grade 6. If you like the video, so everyone like video, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching all of you.